This year, 2019, is the 14th year of this event. So from an entertainment perspective, it's all about trying to enhance that viewer experience. But this year, it was taken to the next level with the virtual flyover graphics that we were able to show before every competitor's run.
To the untrained eye, this is a massive, unrideable space. We would use the augmented reality to let the audience see where the riders are going and really set up what they're about to take on.
I love every aspect of this line. Far riders right into the rock. Dwayne Johnson, one of the most unique features we've ever had at Red Bull Rampage. And then he carries the momentum down into this canyon gap, which he has built even bigger this year.
This terrain out here is unforgiving. There's nothing like this event. And this technology is used commonly in studio environments, but it's never used in a remote location. We brought two different things, both built upon game engines. And the game engine gives us the ability to take the three-dimensional model that we created of the venue last year into a completely new environment.
We mounted a 50 megapixel camera onto a drone and took hundreds of photos to create a 3D model and texture using photogrammetry. For the virtual camera moves, we used an insanely detailed high-res version of the mountain model with over 6 million polys and the equivalent of 3 billion pixels in the texture. We created a pipeline with custom scripts and processes that allowed us to share completed assets and animations between each rendering program.
And then we brought out some tracking systems, and we're able to overlay athletes' lines and contextual information for the broadcast in 3D space.
We used a virtual production software called Pixitope to composite a low-res version of the mountain over the live image from our track camera. We removed that layer and left only the lines visible. And the result is real enough that a viewer hardly notices that they're being shown a computer-generated image.
One of the most unique things about this event is the fact that every rider goes down their own route.
These riders are changing their line right up to the final day. Having a team right here in the US as well as a team in Norway that was doing it overnight, working 24 hours right up to the night before the event to make sure it was as authentic as it can to what the riders are doing.
By the time the rider's in the start gate, the viewer has an idea of where they're going and gives them a reason to care and some knowledge as to what they're about to witness.
As this technology continues to evolve, we'll figure out unique and interesting ways to use it. You know, here we're using it to track rider lines, but every event we can find applications for these things moving forward.